It's complicated.
Guys, Indra knows that I'm back. And if I don't go, I would look guilty.
क्यों ऐसा होता है कि हमेशा एक खड़ूस बॉस आपकी जिंदगी बर्बाद करने के पीछे तुली हुई होती है? Now I remember, guys. I didn't get good vibes from her when I went to her house.
Guys, chill, yeah. I think Indira has like a lot of dignity. And if you guys were in her place, what the hell would you guys do, yeah?
I will not go around and ask where Arjun is for sure.
I think she knows everything. She wants us to know that she knows and make us scared by that. I'm very sure.
Maybe. Like, बेटे का मामला फिर भी understandable है. But partner का धोखा?
What partner ka dhokha? It's ulta here, okay? I don't think she'll care for what Arjun does. You know, bete ke liye I think she's very much worried.
अब इस बीच में तुम दोनों डिसाइड करना कि कौन सबसे बेस्ट है और किसका हालत सबसे खराब है. Because that person is gonna definitely get butt kicked by me. क्योंकि मुझे ये पार्टी में जाना है बस.
क्यों?
क्यों? Dude, Myra is gonna be there. And I haven't met Myra since a very long time.
Myra? Now where did she come from in this scheme of things?
अबे यार राका, हमारी जिंदगी की लगी पड़ी है यार. And all you care about is Myra.
Why? What is wrong if I care about Myra too?
No, I thought you'll care more about Bobby, no? Since you've been spending so much time with him.
Oh, wait. I think Nupur, तुम बात की गहराई को नहीं समझ रही हो. राका जी, क्या जो मैं समझ रही हूँ वो सही है? You have moved on from your ex and now leading towards why?
What? Why?
Guys, forget about all this. I mean, Samira, if you're done with the algebra, why don't you just go and pad up your bra? And Nupur, if you're done from your La La Land, then can we just go and get ready for the freaking party?
But what am I going to wear?
दिखा, कौन दिखा?
नहीं.
Wait.
What to do, yeah?
See this.
What?
ये है हमारी नूपुर मैडम का नया अवतार.
Wow, Nupur, this is something you definitely have to wear for Arjun.
Nice?
Yeah, very nice.
So hot, man.
Yeah, not gorgeous, gorgeous.
You are looking really nice, and with a little help from your friends, you look like $1 million.
But मैं पार्लर वाली से इसकी शेविंग करने
It's
से.
the best option for you. Use it regularly, and you won't feel your hair to be thick.
Are you sure?
Yes.
It's a girl's best friend.
सुनना समीरा. Not looking cheap ना?
Oh, you look hot. Such a big deal you have made for this party, man. Myra भी नहीं है यहाँ पे.
क्यों नहीं यार? Good food and good drinks. और अपनी बेकार जिंदगी से ब्रेक किसे नहीं चाहिए? वैसे if message her, she'll be here with Kabir anytime soon.
तेरी जिंदगी बेकार होगी, madam, not mine.
What's up? Hello. Did you guys try the prawns? They're damn good.
I don't eat prawns.
Okay. Raka, so you're from Calcutta, right?
Yeah, proper Baligunj circular.
अरे आमियो, Don Bosco पासे? हाँ.
Hey, Shisho, please stop this Bengali bhaichara, okay? Tell me if you have seen Arjun.
It's a fun day. Why do you want to hang out with your bosses?
Stuck with some kind of business?
Business? What kind of business? He's all business partners over here.
Guess who? Hi, Hottie.
Hi, gorgeous. What's up?
Come have a drink with me.
Yeah. Bye, guys.
What about Shivir?
Shivit doesn't have any interest in all this kind of parties. He always keeps himself away from wherever Indira is.
Smart boy.
Yeah. Oh, there he is.
not looking cheap now.
No, you're looking hot. You should call us also, na?
Yeah. Maybe because we are still new.
All the more reasons. I think the point was to introduce us to all of them.
So where's your tag along?
You mean Kabir? He ditched at the last minute. I'm here as his representative.
ओहो, तो आज क्या represent करने का इरादा है, हाँ, Miss Myra?
फिलहाल तो बस तुम्हारे साथ एक ड्रिंक पीने का इरादा है.
Hey, Myra.
Hey,
How are you?
good, good. How are you doing?
Good, good. Kabir's not in?
No, he's not here.
See you around.
See you.
तुम सुधरोगी नहीं.
तुम सुधरने देती नहीं हो.
Hi. Hi, Smith.
Hi.
By the way, आज ये तुम्हारे चुन्नू मुन्नू इतने उदास क्यों लग रहे हैं?
Women and their issues. Anyway, I need to discuss something with you in due course of time.
Sure. Your place or mine?
Samira. I think he's avoiding me.
This is a professional situation, baby. अब इसमें वो तुमको क्या बोलेगा?
क्या बोलेगा? Hi Samira, hi Raka, hi Nupur. Nice to meet you all. You all met Mr. Mulchandani? No? Oh, chalo. Let me introduce you all. That's what he should say. Instead, he's avoiding me. And by default, he's avoiding all of us.
Correct. सब तेरी गलती है. अब क्या करेगी तू?
Look at the way he's laughing. As if he has conquered something.
People know when they have been conquered.
Maybe we should just go and join the gang of this party type. Besides, Indira is busy with Arjun. Let's go and join the gang.
Why do you want to meet Indira? You must have some point to prove, huh?
I just want to tell her that she's thrown like a really good party. And I want to get prawns.
Hey, बहुत हो गया तेरा prawns का drama, huh? Indira is busy with someone else and it's a perfect opportunity for us to make us lie balls. Let's go.
Yeah, I'm sick of Arjun here. Let's just go.
Yeah.
But मुझे prawns खाना है यार and Myra's still here.
चल तुझे prawns खिलाती हूँ, हाँ? Let's go.
Raka, Samira, Nupur, just the people I wanted to have a little chat with, remember?
Yes.
Okay, so what I wanted to talk to you about is, there's good news and bad news.
What's the bad news?
So our company finds itself in a little difficult spot right now. So in order to remain solvent, we are forced to make some cutbacks, which means from Monday, you three will be on a notice period for a month. You might have to make some other arrangements.
Or the job arrangements.
Yes, job arrangements.
And what is the good news?
Did they say there's good news? There ain't any.
It's complicated.
गलती हमने की है.
Hi.
Hey Nupur.
Should we do something? Suicide वगैरह कर लिया तो?
Hi. How are you? You think we can meet? मुझे कुछ डिस्कस करना था.
करिए करिए Miss Beautiful Skin. Number one, I have no fucking clue whether she's pregnant or not.
This is utter shit.
Number two, I have no idea whether I am the father or not.
Primary Fast, exclusively styled by Myntra.